welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is addressing a little situation that is on social media. She's referring to the guy in the car, and guys, just figure out who that is. Well, she's speaking about him, and she's saying that, he was playing her video and was saying that the girl who sent her the messages have won the whatever it is that's going on. So Marcia is saying, you know what? She gives to us what she wants us to have. So if she doesn't want the situation to be played or heard on the media, then she doesn't put it out there. But she gives us what she wants to give us. So whatever it is that we get is what she wants to show us in our life. So she's saying that, she's making her content and she's doing what she's doing, and not only making her content, but she's living her life the way that she pleases to live. So guys, you have to go and catch the video and hear what Mercy has to say about this situation and more. And also, for my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, and my subscribers out there, I just want to say thank you and have yourselves a beautiful day as well. Now, guys, remember, as I always say, when you want peace of mind and you want things to be in secret, you don't expose it. So whatever it is that you put on the media, it is going to go further because people are looking and they're seeking, for the next big thing about you. So guys, remember, if you want something to be a secret, not tell nobody. If you want something to be a secret, don't put it on the media because it's going to go far. So now, guys, remember, life is a journey too, So you have to take your journey. And however you take your journey, be it in secret or in public, make sure that it's benefiting you. Have yourselves a wonderful day. And remember to smile, laugh enough, and don't give a what people want to say about you. Live your life the way it's pleasing to you.
Boy, that content me a create. If me never want Facebook for here, would a girl call me and tell me say, I wouldn't cover my page, complete the voice note. Number one, you say the girl win me. The girl can't win me. Because what is it for me to keep on repeating myself over and over as if I hear the same ridiculous thing over and over and over? So me, I pick when me want to answer. Say, why should I come out here and argue with the same thing? Hear somebody that tell me about house and bed and this and stagnancy and this and that. I mean, it's pointless. Why should I behave in certain way? When me want cuss, me cuss. She can't win me. As she look like a idiot for you call me and cuss me about people. And you look like a idiot with your by yourself. I play it. I give you know what you know want. I give you know what I want to give you know. Just like how me come right now and come down on the washing machine, taking out clothes or whatever. Me give you know what I want to give you know. At the sheet, me at the bed, me I could strip right now and go wash the blanket and the sheet. And that me I could do right now. Let me turn on this. I wash it and put it right back on the bed. That's exactly what I could do right now. Make them shirt. I could strip the bed right now. I just don't bed. I could strip the bed right now. I wash the pillow and the sheet and the cup and the quilt and put it right back on the bed. I me use my own things. Me not take out no more new quilt. Me not take out no more new quilt and a new sheet. So I could strip the bed right now with a herring sheet here. And go wash them. See there? I dash them a ground and take out the pillow them. Yep. So when I could have always call me and cuss me and say, you see the shame sheet them on the bed. That's see there? Me I strip the bed right now. See them and carry them go wash them. So when time, so when I go and see. I know for me yard. It's not my house. So me not have to change no sheet. Can't be washed. So my clothes just don't wash. I'm going to strip the bed right now. I'm going to wash them. It's been on the bed for about a week, you know. And I'm going to sleep on it. So, I strip it right, you know. Strip it right, you know. Man carry them downstairs. Go wash them. Contents me a create. Me I give you something to chat say. If me not give you no contents, you don't have no brain for yourself to think. So since that's a contents you don't want, a reality of show, reality of Marcia life, you're not going to rest yet. Hold on the people. Me I take my ears ring them off of the bed. Because a contents them want, a contents them shall get. That's what they want. That's exactly what they want. That's exactly what I'm going to give them. If you want someone to play with, go and buy yourself a toy. Yes, the people bed. What them jealous of me for. All the people bed them a cuss me for. Can you imagine? That walk. What is that smell here? Call me nasty. Come suck out my mama pussy clot. And that's what you go do. And come on page. That is what you go do. Come suck me like a lollipop. And juice me like a blood clot sauce up. That's all. Oh, my face is so pretty. Look at my face. Look, I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. But nasty. You come up here call people nasty. You do have the blood clot bed to sleep on. More than when you die Jamaica sleep on a straw bed. Your bumbo clot mama they have the old sheet. You're not even having a blood clot sheet. That's a rip-up sheet. Every minute them have to soy. Yes, it's my natural hair. It's my natural hair. I don't put anything in there. I just bleach it and just put some mousse and some cream inside of it, and that's it. So if every day my cousin, so when they go over, I can chop me for. Huh? Are you ever happy? Yes. Yes, me always happy. I have been the happiest ever been. Me not lie. I have not been the happiest since I moved out of Woodland Village. I have never been the happiest have I been. I feel so happy, lightweight and free. I have never been so happy. Don't even talk about the main fact that I get a little part-time work here. Me was a blood clot happy. If me never see me way out good, no me can't see me way out good. All of my bills, them when me hoe, I'm almost done pay. Me have 2 more to go after me done fix my truck. And that's it. 2 more to go. 2 more bill to pay. After me done my truck. Me have 2 more bill to go and that's it for the year. Anything else is mine. When me don't take care of everything. When me need to take care of. Me have my things there me I pay for. Me have my this, me whatever. And me have my sister, my auntie. And after me take care of that. Because me take some money from my sister last in a couple months ago. And so me make sure some pay back my sister. Because when rainy day come again, me want some extra money. And this car need to fix and it cost all per money. And me have the money to fix it. So if I wasn't happy, me happy. The only time me not happy when my blood clot company is pussy clot and them a trouble me. Otherwise me good to go. Hi, how are you doing? So let me tell you something. Welcome to Reality Show of Marcia Life. The only thing can make people happy nowadays is money. Once you have money coming in to take care of yourself, take yourself out, enjoy yourself, go where you need to go, and whatever it is, you're all right and pay your bills. You're okay. We all have lots of bills and we have to pay it, right? I remember say we have to remember rainy day. That is it. We have to remember rainy day. So see it there? See it there? Me I strip the bed. Me strip in the bed and that is it. So me go about my business I know. Go wash it. That's it. I don't know. Me take them up and carry downstairs to wash it. So when them see me and them see me asleep, then can say, oh, she dip on the same sheet. Make a wash it. And me not put out nothing more. Me not put out no more. Me not take out my money out of my vehicle. So I take out no quilt. So I put on bed. I make sure I take the time and go down here. So me not take out nothing. I'm gonna take out no new sheet. Take out the new sheet out of my vehicle and go wash nothing. And go put on new bedding. No. And see me clothes that me have on this morning, yeah? Me I wash it. Yes, me do. So me now a pillowcase. A content creating. Yeah. Me not go take out no more. Me not go take out my quilt. I have to go put on a new sheet for bed. No, me I wash this rag. It's not my place. Me wash them. And see there, them brand new same way. See there, them brand new same way. No piss, no depend them. No spot, no depend them. And no leakage, no depend them. Me sheet them nice and clean. And could have go either 6 months. And them smell good. Them no frownsy and moldy like on the haters. Them look brand new, same way. Brand new. See there? Brand new, same way. No piece, no mark, no depend them. See them there? Brand new. Yes, brand new and smell good. Yes. Them no think and dirty and black. Can no peel off skin now go upon them. Everything I wash. All the cover them. They something pillowcase, sham, everything. You understand? Yes, my dear. And then wash. Yeah. I will follow you. I don't blame you, Marcia. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. See them nipple? Oh, my boyfriend, I love to see them now. Look how them stiff and nice. My boyfriend, I love them nipple. Look here. Where the haters them there. Look at them a sexy nipple here. They can't look like me. They wish them blood clot could have them a nice sexy brassiere. They wish them could have them nice sexy back here. Them lucky. Them wish them could have them. Oh, them not see icky. My boyfriend said, if you ask them if they not see icky for my neck and the breast. I tell him say fade out. Yeah, no, the other day. So they not see the icky on the breast. Lord have his mercy. I buy my own soap. This is my soap. And this is the client's soap. This is my softener. So I buy my own soap. I went to the supermarket the other day. They have 2 of them for $15. Yep, 2 of them. So this is my own things. I buy my own stuff. I carry back upstairs. This is upstairs. See? The man have his own soap. One brand new. And him have him other one to finish. It's a Tide. Me have my own things. The other lady must have my stuff that. The only thing I take for them, I look like OxyClean. That's it. That is it. Take some of the OxyClean, put in there. That's it. That's my one. That's my one right here. A content creating time. If they don't want a content creating, no way I block them. Where the I one me supposed to go in there, but me always put 2. Me have one other one, and me have 2 more in my car. I have 2 more in my truck. What I have? So I have my own soap. Not client soap. My own soap. And we have this sink down here to wash out the cup. Nothing now for waste. Now no other things. Yes, my dear. Cover it up and put it back over here. So she knows that this one is mine. Okie dokie. I say welcome to the reality show of Marcia life. I took my wipe off like a soap catching machine, so I wipe it off. Yeah. Yes, my dear. So we're turning on now. Welcome to the reality show. Big pussy girl them out there.